Did you know that one wrong choice could destroy two lives forever? You live next to Sarah, the quiet woman who keeps to herself. One day, her mail gets delivered to your house by mistake. The return address says U.S. Marshals Service. Your heart stops. Sarah is in witness protection. Then you notice the black car. It's been parked across the street for 3 days. Same driver, same dark sunglasses. You recognize his face from the wanted posters at the post office. He's a known hitman for the mob. Sarah has no idea she's being watched. She waters her plants every morning at 8, takes out trash every Tuesday. The killer knows her routine. You have two choices. Warn Sarah and save her life, but the mob will know someone tipped her off. They'll come for you next. Your family becomes a target. Or stay silent. Keep your family safe. But watch an innocent woman die. What would you do? Save a stranger and risk everything? Or protect yourself and live with the guilt forever?